Assam general knowledge. Question number 1. The cultural capital of Assam. Answer Jorhat. Question number 2. Which is the oldest refinery in India? Answer Dibgoi. Question number 3. Which city is known as the Light of the East? Answer Guwahati. Question number 4. Smallest biosphere reserve in India? Answer Dibru-Saukha. Question number 5. Which district in Assam is supposed to be carbon free by 2020? Answer Majuli. Question number 6. In which year crude oil was drilled in Assam for the first time? Answer 1889. Question number 7. Name the longest bridge in India. Dhola Khodia is built over which river? Answer Lohi. Question number 8. The smallest district in Assam area wise? Answer Kamrup Metro. Question number 9. First Assamese film? Answer Joymati. Question number 10. Who established the Ahom kingdom in the medieval period? Answer Sailung Sukapha. Question number 11. What is the official language of Assam? Answer Assamese language. Question number 12. What is the traditional dance from Assam called? Answer Bihu. Question number 13. How many states share their borders with Assam? Answer 7. Question number 14. Assam share international border with which countries? Answer Bhutan and Bangladesh. Question number 15. Which state is to the north of Assam? Answer Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 16. What is the Ramsar site of Assam? Answer Deepor Bill. Question number 17. Who is the golden girl of Assam? Answer Hima Das. Question number 18. Who is the lion man of Assam? Answer Radha Govinda Bora. Question number 19. What is the main food of Assam? Answer rice. Question number 20. What is the capital of Assam? Answer Dispur. Thank you.